Ever wondered how small daily habits can transform your life? Imagine a world where the simplest of actions compounded over time can lead to extraordinary results. This is the world of atomic habits, a concept brought to life by James Clear. Atomic habits are the building blocks of remarkable change. They are small, easy-to-do habits that, over time, have a transformative impact. Picture the snowball effect, where one tiny snowflake can trigger an avalanche. That's the power of atomic habits. But how do these habits form? Enter the habit loop, a cycle of 4 key elements: the cue, the craving, the response, and the reward. The cue triggers your brain to initiate a behavior, leading to a craving or a motivational force behind every habit. The response is the actual habit you perform, and the reward is the end goal of every habit. So, it's the small changes consistently applied that can lead to significant transformations. Now, how can we apply these insights to build or break our own habits? Let's start with habit stacking. This technique is all about integrating a new habit into an existing routine by stacking it onto a behavior we already do consistently. For instance, if you already drink a cup of coffee every morning, you could stack a new habit of reading a chapter of a book onto it. Next, the 2-minute rule. It's designed to overcome the initial resistance to starting a new habit by making it as simple as possible. Any habit can be started by taking a small action that takes less than 2 minutes. Our environment plays a crucial role in supporting positive habits and discouraging negative ones. For instance, if you want to eat healthier, keep the fruit bowl visible and the cookie jar hidden. Finally, the OAES framework. Successful habits are obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Conversely, breaking habits involves making them invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. With these techniques, we can begin to shape our habits and therefore our lives more effectively. But what does the journey of change look like, you may ask? Well, it's much like climbing a mountain. The ascent often feels slow, uneventful, and the peak sometimes seems unreachable. This, dear listeners, is what James Clear refers to as the plateau of latent potential. Your efforts might not yield immediate results, but rest assured every step you take is propelling you forward. Here's where the concept of continuous improvement comes into play. It's not about making drastic, earth-shattering changes, but about refining and tweaking your habits bit by bit. The key is to remain patient and committed to your journey. Just imagine, a 1% improvement each day can lead to a 37% improvement over a year. Quite remarkable, isn't it? So, when the journey seems tough, remind yourself that it's the small, consistent changes that are quietly sculpting your path to success. Remember, it's not about overnight success, but the power of consistent small changes over time. That's the true power of atomic habits.